People say you need lakhs of rupees to start a business. That is the biggest lie holding Indians back. The truth is simple. You do not need lakhs. You do not need a factory. You do not need an office. What you really need is an idea, a smartphone, and the courage to start. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to share 8 business ideas you can actually start from your home in 2026. Some need just 500 rupees, some need 5,000. None of them need more than 15,000 rupees, and each one has the potential to become a real monthly income of 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees. If you do it right, here is what I'm going to do differently. I will not give you generic ideas. I will tell you exactly what to do, how much to invest, what to charge, and where to find your first customer. And I will also share which 3 ideas are exploding in 2026 because of new technology. So, if you are a student looking for some side income, a housewife wanting financial freedom, a salaried employee dreaming of escape, or someone who lost their job recently, this video might just change your life. Stay with me till the end. Now, before I jump in, let me share something important. There is one rule that separates successful small businesses from failed ones. Every single idea in this video follows that rule. Low investment, real demand, scalable income. Think about it this way. If a business needs lakhs to start, it is not a business idea. It is a financial trap. If a business has no real demand, then honestly, it is just a hobby. And if it cannot grow beyond your time and energy, it will keep you stuck forever. The 8 ideas I'm about to share have all 3. So let me show you which ones they are. So let us start with the very first idea. Business idea number 1, mobile cover customization. Now think about this for a second. Every Indian owns a smartphone. Every smartphone needs a cover. And in 2026, plain covers are boring. Everyone wants something unique. Their name on it, their favorite quote, their cricket team logo, their child's photo. And this is exactly where you come in. So how do you start? Let me break it down. You buy 50 plain transparent mobile covers from IndiaMart or Amazon. That cost around 2,000 rupees. Then you buy a basic UV printer, or you can simply use sticker paper with high quality prints. Another 3,000 rupees. So your total investment is just 5,000 rupees. Now, how do you sell these? Simple. You open an Instagram page, you post 10 beautiful customized cover designs. You run a small ad of 100 rupees per day. You target college students and young professionals in your city. Each cover costs you around 50 rupees to produce, and you sell it for 250 to 400 rupees. Now, let me talk about the real income potential here. Imagine you sell just 5 covers per day. That is 1,000 rupees daily profit, which means 30,000 rupees per month. All of this from your bedroom. And here is the smart move I want you to remember. Photo customized covers, where customers send their photos to be printed, those sell for 500 rupees and people happily pay. This is the highest margin product in the entire small business space right now. All right, let us move to business idea number 2, home tiffin service. Now, this one is special because this is the most evergreen Indian business you will ever find. It has been working for 50 years and it will keep working for the next 50 years. Why? Because everyone wants home cooked food, but not everyone has the time to cook. Let me tell you who your customers actually are. Bachelors in your area, students living away from home, working professionals in PGs, senior citizens whose children live abroad, newly married couples in their first jobs. And here is the best part. Every Indian city has 1,000 plus such people in every single neighborhood. So how do you start? Honestly, you do not need much. A basic kitchen, gas, some containers, and a WhatsApp number. That is it. Your initial investment is around 10,000 to 15,000 rupees. This covers tiffin containers, cooking supplies, and 2,000 rupees for marketing. Now let us talk about pricing. You charge 80 to 120 rupees per tiffin. Each tiffin has roti, sabzi, dal, rice, and a small salad. Your food cost is around 30 to 40 rupees, which means your profit per tiffin is 50 to 80 rupees. And now comes the part you are waiting for, the income potential. You start with just 10 daily customers. That is 500 to 800 rupees daily profit, which is 15,000 to 24,000 rupees per month. Now scale to 30 customers in 3 months. And suddenly, you are earning 50,000 to 70,000 per month from your own kitchen. But here is the real secret to making this work. You have to photograph your meals beautifully, post them on local WhatsApp groups and Facebook neighborhood pages. Because in the tiffin business, word of mouth is everything. One satisfied customer brings you three more. Now let us jump to business idea number 3, handmade soap and candle making. And let me tell you why this one is exciting. Because in 2026, Indians are finally paying premium prices for natural, chemical free handmade products. A soap bar that cost you just 30 rupees to make can sell for 200 to 400 rupees. So, how do you start? You buy a soap making base, essential oils, molds, and natural colors. All of this is available on Amazon or any craft supply store. Your initial investment is 5,000 to 8,000 rupees. And if you want to add candle making, you can use soy wax, wicks, and fragrance oils for similar cost. Now, coming to pricing, here is where it gets interesting. A 100-gram handmade soap costs around 30 rupees to make. You sell it for 150 to 300 rupees in gift shops, organic stores, and on Instagram. Designer candles cost 50 to 100 rupees to make. And you sell them for 250 to 500 rupees. So, what kind of income are we looking at? Imagine you make 20 soaps per day in just 3 hours. You sell 15 per day on average. That is 2,000 to 3,000 rupees of daily profit, which means your monthly income is 60,000 to 90,000 rupees. But the real money is somewhere else. And I want you to listen carefully here. Create gift sets. A box of 3 handmade soaps with 1 designer candle sells for 999 rupees. Your cost? Just 250 rupees. That is where the real money is hiding. The gifting market in India is worth lakhs of crores. All right, now let us talk about business idea number 4. And this one is for the digital generation, mobile video editing and reels making. Here is the reality of 2026. Every business, every coach, every influencer, every restaurant, they all need reels and short videos. The demand is endless, but the supply of good editors, very limited, which means there is a massive opportunity sitting there. So, how do you start? Honestly, you need just one thing, your smartphone. That is it. You download free apps like CapCut, VN, or InShot. You watch 10 hours of YouTube tutorials. You practice for 2 weeks. Your investment is 0 rupees, maximum 2,000 if you decide to buy a premium editing app subscription. Now, let us look at how this business pays. New editors charge 200 to 500 rupees per reel. Experienced editors charge 1,000 to 3,000 per reel. Monthly retainer contracts pay 15,000 to 50,000 per client. And big creators, they pay 1 lakh plus per month to the editing team. So, what is the realistic income for you starting out? Get 5 small clients in your first 3 months. Each one pays you 5,000 to 10,000 monthly for 15 to 20 reels. That is 25,000 to 50,000 rupees per month from your phone, from your bedroom. And here is one important tip I want you to take seriously. Do not edit videos for everyone. Specialize in one niche. Become the best editor for finance creators or fitness coaches or food bloggers. Just one, because specialists earn 3 times more than generalists. Now we are coming to one of my favorite ideas. Business idea number 5, AI content creation service. This is the biggest opportunity in 2026 that honestly 99% of Indians are missing. Every small business in India is hearing about ChatGPT, but they have no idea how to actually use it. And that is where you come in. You become the bridge between them and the technology. Let me show you how to start. You subscribe to ChatGPT Plus for around 1,800 rupees per month. You subscribe to Canva Pro for 500 rupees per month. That is it. Your total monthly tool cost is around 2,500 rupees. So what do you actually sell? Social media content for businesses, 30 Instagram posts per month, written by AI, edited by you, designed in Canva, blog articles for company websites, email marketing campaigns, product descriptions for e-commerce stores. Now, let me show you the pricing power. New AI content creators charge 5,000 to 10,000 per client per month. Experienced ones charge 25,000 to 75,000 per client. And the best part? According to the latest 2026 industry data, AI content services have 60 to 80% profit margins, the highest in any service business today. What does this mean for your income? Get just 4 clients in 6 months. Charge them 10,000 each. That is 40,000 rupees per month. And almost half of it is pure profit. Now, here is the secret to landing your first clients fast. Approach small businesses in your own city. Local restaurants, gyms, salons, clothing stores, they desperately need social media content but cannot afford 50,000 rupees agencies. You walk in and offer them quality work at just 8,000 rupees. They will say yes immediately. Moving on to business idea number 6, print on demand t shirts. Think of this as dropshipping evolved. You do not buy any inventory, you do not stock any products, you do not ship anything yourself. All you do is design and market, the rest is handled for you. So, how does this work? You sign up on Keyking or Printrove. Both are Indian print on demand platforms with zero setup cost. You design 20 t shirts using Canva or other free design tools. Your investment is truly 0 rupees if you do everything yourself, maximum 2,000 if you hire a designer. Let me explain how the actual business runs. A customer orders your t shirt on your Instagram page or website. Keyking prints it and ships it directly to them. You take the difference. No inventory headache, no shipping stress, zero risk. Now, coming to the pricing math, your cost per t shirt is around 200 to 250 rupees. You sell it for 500 to 800 rupees, which means your profit per t shirt is 300 to 500 rupees. And then, what kind of income can you actually build? Sell just 10 t shirts per day. That is 4,000 to 5,000 rupees of daily profit, which is 1.2 lakh to 1.5 lakh per month, all with zero inventory risk. But here is the catch you need to understand. Niche designs are what win in this business. Generic motivational quotes do not sell anymore. What sells is niche designs for engineers, doctors, mothers, dog lovers, gym freaks, anime fans. Find a community, make designs for them, sell to them. All right, let us look at business idea number 7, online tuition and coaching. And honestly, India has the perfect market for this. We have 35 crore school students and parents who will pay any amount for good teachers. If you are good at any subject, this is genuinely the fastest path to extra income. So, what do you need to start? Just a smartphone or laptop, Zoom or Google Meet, and a quiet room. Your investment is 0 rupees. Maximum 3,000 if you want a better webcam and microphone. What can you teach? Mathematics, science, English, Hindi, accounts, computer skills, spoken English. If you are an engineer or graduate, you can teach class 6 to 12. And if you are an expert, you can teach competitive exam prep like JEE, NEET, banking, or SSC. Now let us get into the money. School tuition pays 500 to 2,000 rupees per student per month. Competitive exam coaching pays 3,000 to 10,000 per student per month. Spoken English specifically pays really well, 800 to 2,000 per student. So what can you actually build? Take 20 school students at 1,500 rupees each. That is 30,000 per month for just 2 hours of teaching per day. Or take 10 competitive exam students at 5,000 each. That is 50,000 per month. And here is the smartest move you can make to grow this fast. Conduct your first 5 demo classes for free on Instagram or YouTube. Why? Because Indian parents trust teachers they can see online. Once they watch you teach even for 10 minutes, they sign up their children instantly. Finally, let us come to business idea number 8, mukhwas and snacks packaging. This is the simplest, most underrated business in India. Think about it. Every Indian household, every restaurant, every dhaba, every pan shop sells mukhwas after meals. The demand is constant. The competition is surprisingly low. So how do you start? You buy raw ingredients from wholesale markets. Sawan, mishri, dried betel nut, sweet seeds, mukhwas mix. Your investment is just 3,000 to 5,000 rupees for ingredients packets and a basic packaging machine. What is the actual work? You create 4 to 5 unique flavor combinations. You pack them in 50 gram or 100 gram pouches. You label them with a simple brand name and you distribute to local kirana shops, dabas, pan shops, and restaurants. Each shop takes 20 to 30 pouches at a time. Coming to the pricing, your cost per pouch, including packaging, is 8 to 10 rupees. You sell to shopkeepers at 18 to 22 rupees. They sell to customers at 30 to 40 rupees. Everyone wins. Now let me show you the income math. Supply 20 shops. Each shop takes 30 pouches per week. That is 600 pouches per week. with a profit of 10 rupees per pouch, that is 6,000 per week, which comes to 24,000 to 30,000 per month. But here is the trick that will really 10 times this business. Stop focusing only on small shops. Approach colleges, hostels, and IT parks. Their canteens are looking for good Mukwas brands the students will love. And here is the magic. One IT park canteen alone can take 500 pouches per week. That is more than 20 small shops combined. Now, I know what you are thinking right now. Out of these 8 ideas, which one should I actually start? And the honest answer is it depends on you. So let me help you decide. If you are a student with 0 rupees in your pocket, start with mobile video editing or AI content service. Zero investment, high demand, pure skill business. If you are a housewife with great cooking skills, start a tiffin service or handmade soap business. Use what you already know. If you have 5,000 to 10,000 rupees saved up, mobile cover customization or print on demand are perfect for you. Higher margins, modern audience. And if you are in a small town, Mukwas packaging or tiffin service work brilliantly because there is much less competition there. Now, I want to address the single biggest mistake people make after watching videos like this. They keep watching, they keep planning, but they never actually start. They keep waiting for the perfect time, the perfect amount of money, the perfect idea. But here is the truth nobody tells you. The perfect time is now. The perfect amount is whatever you have today. And the perfect idea is simply the one you actually start. Now, before I wrap up, I want to share with you 3 rules that decide success or failure in any small business. These rules are gold. Rule number 1, start ugly. Please do not wait for the perfect logo, perfect website, or perfect business card. Your first 10 customers will not even notice your logo. They only care about your product. Start ugly. Improve as you go. Rule number 2, focus on your first 10 customers like your life depends on it. Because in many ways, it does. Talk to them, listen to them, improve based on their feedback, get referrals from them. 10 happy customers turn into 100 customers in 6 months through pure word of mouth. And rule number 3, reinvest everything in your first year. Whatever profit you make, please put it back into the business. Better packaging, better marketing, better tools. Founders who reinvest grow 10 times faster than founders who start spending profits. Indians who follow these 3 rules go from earning 5,000 rupees per month in month 1 to earning 50,000 per month by month 12. This is documented, this is repeatable, this works. Now, let me close with the most important truth nobody tells you about starting a small business. The first 90 days are honestly the hardest. You will make almost nothing. People will doubt you. Your family will tell you to find a real job. You will doubt yourself. And that is completely normal. But here is what separates those who succeed from those who do not. It is very simple. The ones who succeed do not quit in the first 90 days. They keep going. They keep learning. They keep improving. By month 6, things become easier. By month 12, you have a real business. And by month 24, you're earning more than most salaried jobs would ever give you. Just remember, every big Indian business started from a small room. Reliance started in a tiny office in Mumbai. Flipkart started in a 2 BHK in Bangalore. Zomato started as just a single restaurant directory. They all started small. They all started ugly. They all kept going. So now you have 8 ideas. You have the math. You have the strategies. The only thing missing is your action. Do not wait until 2027 to start. Do not wait for the perfect time. Just start this week. Even if it is something tiny, like buying 50 mobile covers or registering on Cheeking or creating your tiffin Instagram page, just start something. If this video helped you see what is possible, please share it with one friend who needs to hear this. And if you want more honest content about money and business built for Indian reality in 2026, please subscribe to Shivani Talks Money. I will see you in the next one.